Good afternoon everybody. Yeah, so this is day one. I'm here in Kilifi, and finally this is the final destination that I'm going to be touring in the Kenya coast. And just to prove to you that I'm in the Kilifi, I'm in the biggest bridge right there. That's the biggest bridge in Kenya and the second in Eastern Africa. And I want us to walk to the bridge, then go all the way down up to that part so that I can show you how beautiful and how big that bridge is. And I want to give you a little bit of history about this bridge as I walk around. So this bridge was constructed back in the year 1991. It's one of the oldest bridges, and it being constructed in 1991, it is 420 meters. And it being 420 meters, it connects Kilifi town, and the other side is called Mnarani. There's some history that I've just learned from Google. It's not like I knew about it. I had to learn it so that I can explain it to you, because I don't have someone to direct me around. But anyway, hope you are learning something. So the point about this video, I want us to go and show you this bridge. This is one of the things that I wanted to come and see on my trip to Kilifi, but I want you to stick around because I'm also going to the village in Kilifi, where we're going to be spending some days, and we're going to be doing some videos from the village. So stick around and let's walk around, and let's find let's go and see the Kilifi bridge, the longest bridge here in Kenya. It is right there, you can see it. It's very long, 420 meters. Okay guys, so let's go and see the bridge. You can see Kilifi has beautiful buildings as you walk around. And so this is the county government of Kilifi bridge. So that's the checkpoint whereby you can maybe pay so they can take you to a nicer spot where you can go and see the Kilifi bridge. But for me, I just want to do it by myself. And as I said, we're gonna be doing this by ourselves because it's just a very small thing, and I don't think it is worthy paying for to be shown, because it's something that you can see by yourself. I don't know if I make sense, but anyway, so it begins here. It begins right here. Says Kilifi Bridge. So, as I was giving you the history, that side, that's Kilifi town. That's Kilifi town, and on that side is Mnarani. It's what we call Mnarani, and it is bridging the two areas. They're still of the same government, because Kenya is divided into counties, and so we have Kilifi County, and Mnarani is just like a small town, if I'm right. If I'm wrong, you can tell me on the comment section. But the bridge is connecting, because we have this part of the ocean right here. I think this is a river. That's something, guys, I didn't research about. I don't really know what is the name of this river. But I guess it is a river connecting to the Indian Ocean. I think it is the Hadi River. So you can see people are doing bull riding here in the under the bridge. So there are some of the activities that you can come and do here under the bridge. Even on the other side we have a lot of boats, but for me I just want to walk the 420 meters so that I can tell you I've left Kilifi on the other side behind me, and now we are going to Mnarani, which is 420 meters from here. So this is something you should come and try and experience the history about Kenya, because this bridge is approximately 31, that is 31 years, yes, approximately 31 years old. So most of you, it might be even older than you. It is older than me. This bridge is older than me because it is 31 years and I'm 23. So it was built many years ago, and that's a little bit of history about this bridge. Beautiful view behind me on my side. It's a quick stop so that you can see. And on the other side, so guys, make sure to subscribe, continue subscribing, continue liking. Give me your thoughts on the comment section if you are liking this video. If history is what you love watching, then I think this is the best video for you to watch, because when you travel to Kenya, also to the Kenya coast, oh look at that, there's a boat down there. So those are some of the nice water sports activities that you can come and enjoy here below the Kilifi Bridge, the longest bridge in Kenya and the second biggest in Eastern Africa. 30 years old bridge. So as I said, we'll be going to the village. I'm gonna be seeing the friend of mine. She's gonna be meeting me anytime soon from now. So I'm gonna be staying with her. She's gonna take me around our village. We're gonna talk about the history behind our village. It is an interesting story. That's why I want to capture it for you guys on the camera, so that you can learn about one of these tribes here in Kilifi County, or this part of the Kenya coast. It's called Kilifi. So hope you enjoyed this video, hope you like it, and let's continue, let's finish up. We're almost there. Habari. It's always nice to see people who are friendly. It has taken me almost 8 minutes now to walk 420 meters. But we're almost there. So finally we are here. So I'm in Mnarani. So this is the other side of the bridge. 420 meters I walked. From the other hand, that is Kilifi, and now I'm in Mnarani. So this bridge connects these two places, and there's some history behind this. So it says this bridge was officially opened by His Excellency Honorable Daniel Arap Moi, President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Republic of Kenya, on the 5th May 1991. So as I said, it was opened 1991. That is 31 years ago by the second president. He's late. The second president of the Republic of Kenya is the one who officially initiated and opened this bridge here in Kilifi County to help the people of Mnarani to be able to cross from this side to go to the other side, and vice versa to the people of Kilifi. And there's help because a lot of people were just using boats, which was not safe. They were using boats to cross to the other side, and also using ferries to cross to the other side. And you know, in 1991 the technology had not reached that much in Kenya. So the president of Kenya initiating this project was a blessing to the people of Kilifi, more so the people of Kilifi town and Mnarani. So Mnarani. So I'm walking below the bridge. It's right here. I'm walking down below the bridge. There's someone lying there. I'm not sure if this is safe. I don't think this guy is safe. I don't want to risk it. It is not safe. I'm going back. I wanted to take you down there, down the bridge to the beach, but I'm not gonna risk my camera and my life. You know, I might go down there and then he might try to do some things, maybe fishy, and try to confiscate my camera. So I don't wanna try that out. But anyway guys, hope you liked the video, hope you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. And also one more thing before you go please. So you can be able to join my channel. If you look down there, you see there's a join button. You can click there, you can join this channel. You'll see all the privileges that you will have when you join this channel. So please join the channel. You can follow me on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram as well for all updates on where I'm going, instead of just waiting to see the post that I'm doing. So thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on the next one. Goodbye.